1 minute still. And Brown, he hasn't really gotten played. He only has 9 points.
Brownlee with Mitchell with 5. The rest of their squads need to put a lot of work in as well dahil nahihirapan nga restore sa import. JB now gets himself in double digits. Miraculo still up by 2.
Whoa!
Big by Hodge. Pero nasaktan din yung kamay niya doon. Gives them all the way. Hodge is grinding in vain, Dr. J.
Blindside back screening. Kaya nasaktan si Walter, may nilupo na.
Pati si Hodge, naibig yata sa kanyang pagkakati. Pero sabi mo nga doon, hanggang sa kakatayo ba, lalaban at lalaban yung si Cliff. Look at that double team. They locate Archie. Short. Archie pa rin. He's got Mitchell in front.
Physically, itong boso na pinapayagan ng record.
Archie, emergency pass. Huli. Seven unanswered from the Wolves off the